Hello. Right now we're in a website called Friv. You can see it.
And yeah, this is where
She plays.
no, this is where ages 10 below plays, and I'm 11. So why would I play that?
I don't
Where-
know why you're here.
Well, I just
look,
got bored.
it's here.
I just got bored. That's why I played it.
Okay, so we're going to play something to see you guys our new blog.
I'm looking for recipes to do some random shit.
Wow.
So-
You don't even know what games they are. What's this?
Go
Oh my
here.
gosh, I'm so confused.
I just found this.
Ow, what's that?
Just and let's go to the official site. Why would you go to Facebook if you're gonna play?
So anyways, this is our first game.
Go to
Yeah. We are
Go
trying
back,
to
go back,
make something out of our lives.
go back, go back, go.
What's this?
Go here.
No,
And yeah.
oh my gosh!
I just found them.
Ooh, I like it!
Try playing this. There are steps, or maybe this one, or this one.
But
You
I
choose.
already...
I just
clicked
don't know why they do it.
When I'm a programmer, I'm going to do that. So just let it be.
There's a pregnant woman.
No, she's just full.
Why is it?
Okay, it's not loading. Where do I see it? What's this?
Just wait for it.
Okay.
And there's a monkey. There's your sister. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I know it's her. Boo. Boo.
You won't be able to catch it because you need to.
Ew, what are you doing? Why is it that
Look at that
it's
guy.
only her shirt?
Look at that guy.
I mean skirt. Oh,
See?
perv.
Place the mouse. Click on the garden hose, then click on the helium. Here's the garden hose. Then helium. He's a pervert.
I don't
Wait
know
for
why
it. Just
someone
wait
will
for
play
it.
this.
It's for the perverts. See? That's why.
Oh.
I just found it. Hey, clear the history. History.
I'm going to zoom it in.
Why are you doing it?
Nothing.
Run. Hey, there's a time limit. So stop just waiting.
Okay.
And then go to the hint again. Wait for the girls. And then they left. Wait,
Why?
go to-
Why did it fly up?
leave
She's
the-
not using a belt.
Click on, then click to get. Click on first. On. Click on the sprinkler, then click on the water. How come they can't notice what he's doing?
This is stupid.
Yeah, I know.
Time to zoom in.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, it's.
You can almost see their boobs. You made me play this. It's not
No,
my fault.
I didn't. You clicked it.
But you said I should try it.
But I didn't.
Oh, they left.
Oh. Her face though.
Bye.
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 Then here you should this rope. Click on the rope. This pillars. Click on That's how you do it. Click on those He's just that stupid.
Can't you see it? I mean, I can probably see that one. Oh.
Oh, that's the porpoise. Oh my gosh, her underwear is red and the other one's white. Go to the hint again. Oh my gosh, she's a picture. Fishing rod, then click on the girl.
Where's
The fishing rod is up. Yeah, that's the fishing rod, then the girl.
It doesn't look like a fishing rod.
Why can't they notice the boy? Is he a ghost? Maybe.
I think they like it that he's playing with them.
Oh. Hey, there's a guy over there.
Here.
She saw it. Time's up. You're not cool enough for college.
I don't even care. This is bullshit.
Dress up.
Okay, we're going to be girls right now. I don't like to play this. Okay. Okay, so now we're in YouTube, PH.
Yeah.
What do you think we should do?
We should ship. Go down.
Go down. No, don't. I don't like it. Look, it's so full of 5 seconds of summer.
Why is there? Oh my gosh.
I don't
I
know.
really hate them.
It's my mom.
How could you possibly your mom? I mean, she's just 1 year older than you.
No, she's my mom.
And your daddy is Jack.
Okay, so that's it. We're just doing this shit up to see what will happen. So basically, we're going to
look at
be
me.
serious. The next video is bye. Say your goodbyes. Hey, bye.
Bye, fucktards.
Bye.